Hello everyone, this is Chiva. Well, I bought this transmission cooler for my Cadillac Escalade 3.0 diesel, but this transmission cooler also will fit from 21 to 24 all the GMC 6.2 and 3.0 transmission cooler. And here is the part number. MMTC-T1-21 and bought it brand new. They do have a promotion at this moment. At the time when I bought it, yes, have 10% off. So let's open the box. Okay, so I just opened the box, and right now let's start put it out. Well, at the time I was thinking to get maybe it's a PPE transmission cooler, but somehow the PPE, there is no specification, there is no dimension of the transmission cooler, so don't have any information to give it to the client. So but on this Mishimoto, they are made by American. It's not a Japanese company. It's not, but the name sounds like it's Japanese. But after you Google it, and they tell you the founder is American people, and the item is made in America, not made in Japan. Also, this just come with all the hardware, come with the plate, the little plate that you hook it up on the side here, and just come with 2 big bolts and 2 small bolts. It's inside the package, it's sealed package. And let's see, let me open it, and you guys will know what is the dimension and see is that gonna fit for your application. Because somehow my Escalade, the 3.0 diesel, the transmission is running so hot, so I just need to cool down the transmission. Don't want to have any damage. So let's open it. Okay, that is the transmission cooler. Also, it's got a serial number on every on every transmission cooler. They will have their own serial number. It's kind of like your birth certificate for the item. Well, when I compare the price from PPE and Mishimoto transmission cooler, they are almost the same price. This one is about $40 extra than the PPE, but the PPE doesn't give me any specification, so I didn't choose them. Because whatever I buy for my car, I want to know what exactly the size that come with it and what not. So I don't want to be like after getting it and then return back to them. That's not good. Okay, so as you can see the whole thing. Okay, here is the dimension. From top to bottom is 18 centimeter. Top to bottom 18 centimeter. And then just from the coil side is about 82 centimeter. And the thickness the thickness of the transmission cooler is 3 centimeter. So on this, the whole thing also just come with the M. They are spray painted. Yeah, they are spray painting the M on the side here. So all you need is hook it up from here. That's the hole. Just hook it up back to your factory. All the fitment have to be, they will fit right on to your application. You don't have to do anything of the modification. You don't. It's very beautiful piece. It's not heavy. It's very lightweight. So on the side here, okay, the thickness from here to here is 3 centimeter. It's very beautiful piece for $400 shipped. I really wish that PPE will give out the specification, the dimension of the transmission cooler to the consumer, but they don't. So that's the bad things. Also, I have do a Google search. Is Mishimoto transmission cooler better than PPE? And then somehow Google you say they both is aftermarket and they both work great. And some people like the PPE for the heavy application. But also in the same time, Mishimoto transmission cooler is cool down the transmission more than the PPE on the result. So that's why I choose to get the Mishimoto transmission cooler. But once again, they are made by American, not Japanese. The founder is American people, and they make the whole thing 100% is made in America. So on my next video coming soon, I will install this into my car. But at this moment, I'm still waiting for some cooling hose, for some transmission hose and everything, because I'm gonna go ahead and redo and put a new transmission cooling hose into this, because I think somehow mine is stuck or maybe just bent on my old one, because I run over a snow cone. I run over a snow cone, and then somehow my transmission start getting hot. So I think I bent some of the hose underneath to the transmission. So right now I'm still waiting for the hoses to come here. So once they come here, I'm going to be installing this transmission cooler. So get in touch on my next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.